Hi guys, it's Ari. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing Buzzfeed Tasty's Keto-Friendly Flatbread. I am using it to make pizza because I absolutely love pizza and frankly I'm starting to miss it a little bit. I did want to let you guys know, excuse the music, I did want to let you guys know that I did make it a little bit different. I didn't use the rosemary or the thyme. I was out of time. And I don't think I even buy rosemary. So I didn't have those on hand. However, they should have been relatively the same. Also, next time I make this recipe, I do plan on doing it just for the flatbread, like the flatbread bread chips or something, because I think that maybe the tomato sauce and the mozzarella on top of it may have affected how I felt about the actual crust, because it did get a little bit soggy. Spoiler alert. Anyways, if you're interested in this video and either the recipe or my opinion on it, go ahead and stay tuned, and here's the video. Okay, so I'm using the Market Pantry mozzarella shredded cheese, and I'm using a cup of this. It's already in the bowl. Okay, this is a tablespoon of cream cheese. Okay, and I'm gonna microwave this in 30-second intervals until it's soft. Okay, I'm gonna do 30 more seconds because it's not that soft. Okay, this looks perfect. So it was 1 minute with my microwave. Now I'm gonna add 1 beaten egg. Okay, and this is 1/4 cup of almond flour. I'm doing a teaspoon of minced garlic because there is 1 carb per teaspoon, so I don't really wanna add any more than that. Okay, and this is 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. Now I'm just gonna fold this, but I only have 1 hand, so I'm gonna have to pause it. Okay, off the bat, I will say that you probably need to have all your ingredients together at one time because my cheese was nice and melted, but I added the cold egg, obviously, and then looking for the thyme in my cabinet, which I didn't even find, wasted my time and actually helped solidify the cheese. So mixing it all in was a little bit difficult, and I will say that my dough, so to speak, is a lot more moist than it was in the Tasty video, but you know, whatever. Okay, so it says to preheat your oven to 350 and bake the dough for 10 to 15 minutes. However, I am actually making pizza with this, so I'm just gonna put it on my pizza pizzazz and watch it. Okay, so I set it for 12 minutes on here. I flattened it out as much as I could. I really hope it firms up a little bit as it cooks, or like a lot of it, because it is kind of just a moist, sticky mess right now, but we'll see. Okay, so it looks and smells really good. I did flip it because I noticed it was browning at the bottom and not really browning as much as at the top. It did stick a little bit, as you can see, even though I sprayed the pan with the olive oil. But you know, it still looks really good. And I did flatten it out. It was easier to like manipulate after it warmed up a little bit while I was cooking, because I really wanted it to thin out. Like, I don't mind a thin crispy crust, and I can only have half of this because only half fit into my macros for the rest of the day. So I didn't want like a little bitty piece. Like, I want a pretty large, you know, like thin piece. So now I'm only cooking it on the bottom. I don't have the top burner on right now while I prepare the rest of the stuff. I was going to use the Goya tomato sauce for my pizza sauce, but I think instead I'm going to use the Bertolli organic olive oil, basil, and garlic. I love this sauce. It's so delicious. I'm sure it's going to taste better as a pizza sauce, and it is 1 gram less carbs. So here you go. It's 8 grams of carbs and 2 grams of fiber. So that's 6. And that's for 1/2 cup. Okay, and 3/4 cup was more than enough. Okay, and I also used 3/4 cup of the mozzarella cheese. Okay, so it's not giving me crispy vibes. Pulling it from the pizza cooker onto this cutting board, it was like kind of falling apart, so I think it's more soggy than anything. So I'm a little less enthusiastic about trying it, but what the hell, I've already counted in my macros. I'm gonna eat it. Okay guys, so I have my little bootleg pizza, and I also have my little bootleg Corona, because I love pizza and beer. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna enjoy it as much as I can and praise the Lord that I've been able to stay on keto for this long without cheating at all. So I'm gonna let you guys know how it is. Okay guys, it is really soggy. I like the ends of it, like here. That part's crunchy, but it's a good flavor. I mean, it's a good substitute. I'll definitely do it again. It's definitely not pizza crust, obviously. What else? Oh, I feel like it's a little grainy, as if it was like whole wheat pizza crust. But I guess that's it. Anyway, I'm about to crack open my Corona and wash it down with it, and it'll be just perfect. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.